It's very obvious that you need this service, but please give us a moment to show you the features and benefits of our service.
Are you experiencing issues with your fridges, freezers, or cool rooms? Are you warming thousands of dollars in product? Are you in need of fast repairs or service on your commercial refrigeration? You don't want to trust the servicing of your refrigeration repairs to just anyone. Whether you run a hotel, club, restaurant, delicatessen, supermarket, or manufacturing plant, health inspectors will not accept unsafe food temperatures. Worse still, you could be putting the health of your customers at risk. You need a commercial refrigeration service that you can trust. One that is professional, affordable, experienced, and skilled at getting the job done right the first time. You want to make sure that your fridges, freezers, or cool rooms are running safely and efficiently. We will assess your refrigeration needs quickly, give you a quote, and get the job done right the first time. We offer a fast 24/7 response to any commercial refrigeration issues 365 days of the year. We take a great deal of pride in our work and would love to help you with your refrigeration needs. Don't put off your refrigeration repairs any longer, as you could risk further damage to your refrigeration plant and your stock. Contact us today. You can reach us by following the directions in this video or by tapping or clicking the link below to visit our website. We look forward to hearing from you.
We look forward to working with you. Call us or click the link below.